Hello Mike, welcome to this video. I am Viviana Olaya and today I want to share with you some tips and some tricks that you can use to improve the traffic to your website, attract more customers and grow your company. So I will be covering content, citations and backlinks. Let's start with your homepage. I can see that you have the click to call button over here, links to the different back pages. You have very nice visuals of the jobs that you have performed. Here you have the links to the products, services that you perform, and testimonials and reviews, and down here the contact us form. So in terms of how easy it is for people to reach out to you, I would suggest to add the contact us form section over here at the top, and throughout the website you could have action call buttons. So for example, free estimate or contact us or things like that, or call us, you know. So it's easy for people to reach out to you. Now, everything that you have here is considered content. So all of the images and all of the videos. So it is important that you pay attention to how you upload this information. So for example, let's have a look at this picture. Save image as, it is a slate, percentage, driveway. So for example, you could upload it targeting a specific buyer intent keywords, because by doing so, Google will pick it up and then your website can appear as one of the results when people perform those type of searches. In terms of the amount of content, right now your homepage has 353 words, and the ideal spot to be optimized for Google is to be between 1,500 and 2,000 words, because through content, Google is able to understand what the website is about first, and then it allows you to push through more relevant buyer intent keywords. If I have a look at two of your competitors, these guys, Stamp Concrete Houston, these guys have 1,309 words, and Elite Outdoor Solutions, they have 637 words. So definitely an opportunity there for you to improve is just to throw in more content and sprinkle it with buyer intent keywords. And what I mean by that is that I came here to the Google search and I typed, for example, Stamp Concrete Houston. And the first section that you see is the Google Ads, which are really good at driving traffic and generating leads immediately. They can be very expensive, and some people just have the ability to turn them off in their browsers. This section is what we call the Google Business Profile. And to rank here, you need optimize and geotag pictures, you need reviews. Google wants to see that you're interacting with your customers. And also you need something that we call citations. And citations is basically to be listed on directories such as Yellow Pages, Yelp, and the name, address, and phone number in those directories need to match those in your Google Business Profile so that Google can verify those details, and then you can grab one of these top 3 positions. The third section, and this is where I found your competitors, is called the Google Organic Search. And to rank here, you first need a website that is safe, secure, that is responsive, and that has the relevant content. And once you have that, you need something that we call backlinks. And to analyze that, we use a tool called Ahrefs. And in this tool, I can analyze the backend of a website, and I can see that you have 86 backlinks. And a backlink is nothing else than a link in another external website, in your case, 21 external websites, pointing to your website or directing traffic to your website. If I have a look at these guys, Stamp Concrete Houston, they have 1,470 backlinks in 100 referring domains. And Allied Outdoor Solutions, they have only for this is a landing page for Stamp Concrete in Houston. So just that back page has 6 backlinks in 5 external websites. So it's important to pay attention to this backlink profile, because first, you not only want to have more backlinks, but you want to have quality and powerful backlinks that are sitting on websites that are related to the services that you provide and to the industry that you operate in, because this is the mechanism that Google has to identify which websites are the most relevant ones according to the search that users are performing. This is the mechanism that Google has to identify which ones are regarded as an authority in those particular topics. The other section that I wanted to share is the organic keywords. So I came here and I can see what those keywords are. The volume is the number of times those keywords are searched for per month, and the position is in which position you are appearing for that particular keyword. So basically you want to target buyer intent keywords. I can see here that you are ranking on the top positions for your brand, which makes total sense. Pay attention to this column over here, because anything beyond the 12th position means that you're already on the second page of Google, and it's going to be really hard to attract any traffic. But just by looking at the budget intent keywords, so the ones that have, for example, Stamp Concrete Houston, 300 people searching for that product or that service per month, because you are on position 20, and this is an estimate, you were able to attract 0.774 visits to your website. This is an estimate. Then you have Houston Concrete Overlay, Decorative Concrete Houston, but you're ranking in positions 22, 23, 27, 32. Well, this one is not. Let's have a look at two of the other competitors. Stamp Concrete Houston, these guys are being found for 152 organic keywords. And in here you can see that they are ranking in the top positions. So for example, for Stamp Concrete Houston's, there is a search volume of 300, and because they're on the first position, they were able to drive 92 visits. An estimate again. Stamp Concrete Houston TX, search volume 50, they're in the first position, they were able to drive 16 visits to their website. So you really want to identify what are those keywords which have the highest search volume associated to them, to use them in the content of your website, and then build a backlink profile so you maximize the number of times that your website is in front of potential customers, because then a percentage of those are going to end up in your website, another percentage are going to reach out to you, and then another percentage, depending on your closing rate, you will be able to convert into new customers. And that's how traffic translates into the growth of your company. So I really hope that you like this video. Please feel free to use this information to improve the traffic to your website, and please don't forget to give me feedback. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.